Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have an older cat and he's really been enjoying this cat food.
My cat Ollie is about 11 years old, and so he is eating this IAMS senior cat food. IAMS recommends their senior blend for any cat over 7 years old to help to support them in their older years. This is a dry cat food. It is very crunchy. He seems to really like it, and it makes me happy to know that he is getting the nutrition that he needs and all of the extra benefits of this particular blend for his older age. This particular blend includes antioxidants as well as prebiotics and natural fiber, and I also love that the number one ingredient is chicken. I usually get this in a 7-pound package because he doesn't eat a whole lot and he's just one cat, but you can get this in also a 3.5-pound or a 16-pound bag if you have several cats. I feel like he's done really well and feels good on this, and he is definitely his old spunky self even though he's 11.
So I think this has been a great choice for my older cat and I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.